Hello guys, welcome to another video. So I just bought a new computer and it was expensive and I'm going to do an unboxing. You guys can have a look what's in the box. So there it is, the Mac Pro 2013. It's a nice little computer to buy. It is dense and heavy, heavier than you would think really, but the idea between me buying this and deciding to sell my iMac is because I wanted to have the capability of replacing the hard drive whenever I want to, just in case it fails. Hard drives do fail, even SSDs do fail after a while. Typically you'll get about 3 years of life out of an SSD hard drive through heavy use, but generally speaking that's how long they last for. So I wanted to have something I could easily upgrade, and this is the product I've gone for, and it does look nice. So let's get on with the unboxing. Unboxing of Mac Pro quad-core Xeon E5 3.5 GHz processor. This is the basic 2013 Mac Pro that came out. It can be upgraded. It can be upgraded to 8 cores or 12 cores. But without a further ado, I'm going to do an unboxing so you guys can see how it comes. So it's come in a standard box, as you can see, but it is well protected. So let's just open it up. Here is a bit of cardboard to protect the top part of the box. And you're seeing this as I see it, so I haven't previously opened it. And here we go, the Mac Pro has a nice bottom protection for the box as well. And without further ado, we're going to do an unboxing. Hope you guys appreciate it. And this is the Mac Pro 2013 model, as I have said. And let's just take some of the plastic off. It is sealed, as you can see. So that's the seal on there, just so you know I haven't previously opened it. Some people do unboxings but claim that they never opened it prior to that, but they have done. So I just wanted to do an unboxing. So as you can see, you don't really need a knife. There's a little tab you can just pull across and it unseals the box. So that way you actually know. I purchased this off eBay, but you know it's new and not a second-hand product. So let's open the box up. Lift the lid, and you can see the Mac Pro is there. Some nice polystyrene protection there, as I'm always impressed with Apple when they do this. They do protect their products very well, including their iMacs. So let's just pull off the insert that they put in there, which keeps it protected. That's the top bit. And let's just lift the machine out of the box. And it is heavy. It's heavier than I thought it'd be. It feels very dense though. So at the bottom there, you can see we've got a power cable and our instructions. So you can see that in the box. The power cable, unlike the iMac, which is white or grey, this is black. So that's interesting. So there you go, that's the power cable. The instructions. Here we have, which was the top of the box, just a little pouch black thing, similar to the Beats that you get on their speakers and their instructions. Full speed ahead instructions. Welcome to your new Mac Pro. You're about to begin a very happy and productive relationship. Let's get started. Pick it up. The curved edge on top is meant to be used as a handle, so it has like a handle at the top, I guess. And then some more information here on the instructions. AMP it up, You've got 4 channels of blazing fast memory, and upgrading it is just as fast. Connect up to 36 Thunderbolt devices and just about anything else. Power it up. We can't wait to see what you'll do next. And then there's some more information about contacting Apple support for any problems. But it's quite nice, really, I think, don't you? Little nice instruction manual there. Some Apple stickers, which are black, which are normally white, and then you've got your basic warranty information there. So that's what's in the box. The box itself looks very nice. Mac Pro, it seems to be indented into the box. Obviously there's a little handle there, and there's a little slot there, so that's where the instructions were hidden. Must have fallen out as I was opening the box. But that's the Mac Pro. Let's just read what the specs say on the back, which says 3.7 GHz quad-core Intel Xeon E5 processor with 10 MB L3 cache, turbo boost up to 3.9 GHz, 12 GB of 1866 MHz DDR3 ECC memory, 2 AMD 5 Pro D800 graphic processors with 2 GB of GDDR5 memory each. So you're getting really 4 gigabytes in total, but it's jewelled up obviously. 256 GB of PCI based flash storage, 6 Thunderbolt 2 ports support high speed in and out, mini display port devices, 4 USB 3 ports and HDMI port, 2 Ethernet ports. You got integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, combined optical digital audio out, analog line out, mini jack, headphone port and all that, pre-installed OS X, meets Energy Star requirements, display keyboard and mouse sold separately. And then you've obviously got your serial number details there, because Apple no doubt will want that if you wish to ring up. And here is the Mac Pro. So let's just move the box out of the way, guys. So that's the Mac Pro. Feels, well, it's cold, but it is cold outside anyway. And there's a little tab here to remove some plastic, which didn't really work that well, did it? That it's supposed to come off as you peel it. Right, peel that off. It's not really supposed to come off that like that. It's supposed to be designed to peel off. Just take everything off. So this is the Mac Pro. I thought I'd just show you guys close up what it looks like. It's quite nice. It's really black. The reason I went for brand new is generally when you get Apple computers off sellers, they tend to have a lot of scratches on them. So I would recommend, rather than buy used equipment, get brand new if you can afford it. So there we go. That's your ports. And it's quite nice. Looks like in between black and grey, if I'm honest. But you know, it should keep the CPU very nicely cooled. And that's the Mac Pro. You might be asking, why did I buy it? Well, I bought it because I needed something just in case the hard drive failed. You can easily replace it. So that's the Mac Pro. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. I just wanted to basically show you guys how what's in the box basically. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.